Hey guys, welcome to another video. My first video, but I'm with my friend here. And her thing is, I love Daddy and Angie. I don't know. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Ow! No. No. So, yeah. So I don't know. So if you guys were wondering that if you guys didn't know about this, well, this is gonna be like secrets in Animal Jam. Like, okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so this is like secret items 2015. So there's this thing right here that just came out where you can buy the two type lorries or whatever they're called. And so I bought two. Okay, so and then also another secret is in Mid-Shiver, I don't know. If you hop on this ice and you get enough people to break it, when you're a seal, you can like, yeah, you can just like get stuff. That's the secret passageway that's summer carnival things blocking. Okay, and down here, oops, I don't know where I'm going because all I'm looking at is the screen of my. Okay, and then there's this whale, this dinosaur thingamajigger right here. I don't know who found this, but they found it a long time ago. Okay, and so another thing is that, where is it? I know there's another secret thing, but I forgot where it was. Yeah, okay, over here. So, in Apollondale, this thing right here, if you go in here, there's these. And if you didn't know that before they had these, there were these giant fat plushy thingamajigers that was in another video that I saw that, yeah, so that I just, okay, and then, you know, that, have you ever guys heard about, the jammer that had the llama? 1, 2, 3, 1. He couldn't be found because he